So this is what they call Little England in Sri Lanka, and as you can see, it's absolutely beautiful. We're just surrounded by tea plantations. You can see people working on the plantations in the distance, and every house up here is absolutely unique. It's got its own unique identification. It just looks so different from each other. Let's have a little walk through the streets. We can do that here because we're not going to get stabbed or robbed or shot. Someone's not going to try and take our mobile phone. So let's have a little wander, shall we? So we got some little streets down there. We had a walk down there before. There's several houses down there, and they're just enormous. It actually reminds me of a place I used to live in, Sevenoaks, many years ago. A little village I used to live in, and it's absolutely identical. Very quiet. So you've got the local pub and restaurant there, where we've just had a coffee. Now this is in a gated community. I was under the assumption that it was a tourist attraction, but it's not. So the security allowed us to come in and take a little walk around. We parked our tuk-tuk outside there, which we'll come to shortly. So let's take a little wander up this one. I mean, wow, look at this lawn. This house is enormous. So I'm told people are actually living here as well. And so I got curious. I went online and had a quick look at how much a property here will be sold for. So if I log into my phone, I'll show you. So I found this one. Okay, so there's a house here for sale. Not sure how well we can see that. Try and get in the shade. So Little England cottage for $1.6 million. $1.6 million. And it is really stunning. So I think, oh actually it's that house up there, which I've seen online. I'm trying my best not to point because people do actually live around here. But we'll try and get as close as we can without getting told off by security. So, oh yeah, that's the house I can see online for sale, that one directly in front of us. So, the one here. So 1.6 million US dollars. It's a lot more than what I thought it would be. So it's a lot more than I think you'd pay in England itself. Let's have a little walk up here. So I'm told that a lot of these places are used for Airbnbs as well, and you can get a place here for maybe $160 per night. From what I've seen online for some of the bigger properties. But perhaps you can get some cheaper than that, I'm not sure. But certainly to live around here would be very expensive. I mean, I've seen so many gardeners, you know, taking care of all the plants and trees and things. It looks, you know, that's why it's so well kept. Everyone's garden is tended to. Oh wow. Yeah, I think I'll take this one. This is beautiful. I can see security coming towards me. I think they might tell me off. Hey. Oh, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Ah.
Yeah. He told that I want to have a chat with that gentleman, so I told
Oh,
him,
really? Oh, well, okay.
Yeah, he's there.
Oh, okay, yeah, sure.
Yeah, you can accompany your
Yeah, sure. It's okay if I film around here?
Yeah. You take all your photos and he want to have a chat with you.
Oh, okay, yeah, sure, no problem.
Yeah, you are a very important person for us.
Oh, really? No way.
Englishman.
No way.
Yeah.
What's your name, my friend?
Raymond.
Raymond.
I'm the premises manager.
Very nice to meet you, my friend. My name's Craig.
He's Mr. Chairman.
This place is absolutely beautiful.
He's my chairman, Mr. Vasant.
Hello, my friends. How are you? Very nice to meet you.
Likewise.
My name's Craig. What's your name?
I'm Vasanta Jayasuriya.
Oh, wow, that's a long name.
If you loved your cricket, you'll remember Sanat Jayasuriya.
Oh, I'm not really into my cricket too much, but I've got friends that love their cricket. I'm from London. I'm South London.
Okay.
So yeah, I was saying before, this looks very much like a village I used to live in Kent, in Sevenoaks.
Oh.
And it was a village called Otford, and it's absolutely beautiful, so peaceful.
I'm still to find out whether there's anything in England where they have different designs in one location.
I believe in England, to my understanding, it's down to a council rule, a local council rule.
Yeah,
So
I've seen in Watford and all.
Yeah.
These Tudor style.
Yeah.
Streets of them. And
Well, these Tudor style houses here were the same as in Otford, in the village I lived in Sevenoaks, and they was all the same down the street, and there's beautiful single houses. But normally in the UK, what you'll find is like semi-detached houses, so there'll be two houses together as well,
Yeah.
like in certain villages. But I love this, where every house is unique, every house is different.
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
this was.
Do you live? So you live here?
I live in Colombo actually.
Okay.
But I'm here once in a while. We're still building some houses.
Yeah, I see one being built. I think it's down the end there actually.
Yeah. Would you like to take a seat?
Oh, please, yeah, that'd be great. Yeah, thanks very much. That'd be great.
Can I give you a cup of tea? We recently had a stunning visitor from England. She's great-granddaughter of one of the governors,
Oh, okay.
Sir William Henry Gregory,
Oh,
who was
okay.
a governor from 1872 to 1877.
Oh, wow.
A lot of history. Even the lake is built by him.
Ah, wow.
This lady came here,
Yeah.
and we had absolutely no idea who
Wow.
she was until my youngest son, he struck a conversation with the two of them and then found out.
Wow. Oh, wow, this is beautiful.
This is the suite.
Okay.
We have one.
How much for a suite for one night? Okay. Wow.
42,000 bed and breakfast.
42,000, yeah? Okay. Wow. Balcony as well? Wow, that really is beautiful. Is it okay if I have a look out? Is that okay?
Yes.
Yeah, sure. Wow. Some amazing views here. So just a little catch up then. I've just bumped into this gentleman that owns the land here, and he just offered to give me a little bit of a guided tour. So he owns the land, but he tells me that individuals have now bought the houses. And as you can see from online earlier, they go for quite a lot of money. But there's also a clubhouse here, and he's given us a bit of a tour around the clubhouse, which has a British bar and has 10 rooms. So let's have a little look. Let's continue.
Not so big.
Wow, these rooms are stunning.
This is yes.
This is very nice. Wow, I love the furniture as well. Wow, stunning.
Teak.
Yeah. Nice bathroom.
This hotel, you own it.
Yes.
So, but the other land, the other houses.
Some of the houses I own,
Ah,
then they're unsold and we'll be eventually keeping some of them. Maybe I didn't. There's one more room. You can
Okay, oh please, yeah, that'd be great. Thank you so much for this, I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. It's our pleasure. Well, I happen to be around.
Hello, my friend. Oh wow, look at this. This is enormous. This is big. Wow. Wow. This is nice. So how long have you worked here for, my friend? Have you worked here a long time? Yeah? Some great views outside, onto the street, into Little England. Yeah. Ah, some good view. Ah, yes, perfect. Wow. Yeah, very nice. I gotta say, it's stunning.
So this is your first time?
yes.
Very nice room, my friend. Very nice. Wow.
Thank you.
This
This
is.
one it's not a suite. Or
It's not a suite.
So how
The superior.
how long have you owned this hotel for then? You've owned this land for how long?
I've been owning it, started it in 2009.
Oh wow, wow, long time. And all this.
And then we kept on building.
Okay, okay.
It's the first time ever. I mean,
Yeah.
as you know, in England,
Yeah.
you don't build different designs in one.
No,
area.
it's very like they're all pretty
controlled by
much the same.
council.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. So here we have had the freedom to do it, and it's the only place I can think of in the whole world.
It's beautiful. It really is. Yeah, I love it that every house has got their own unique identification.
Yeah.
It's fantastic. Really nice. So, are all the houses occupied at the moment? Is people living in all the houses?
See, the thing is, Nuwara Eliya is considered a holiday resort.
Okay.
So most of these people come on holiday,
Okay. Okay.
and some of them they're running it as little boutique properties,
Okay.
hotels.
Yeah.
So with their own staff and
Okay.
chefs and
Oh yeah, I noticed when I was walking through the streets, I noticed someone carrying a tray, like taking food to one of the houses, perhaps. So it makes sense if they got their own chefs. And,
Probably,
yeah. Wow, beautiful.
so it's getting there. It's falling in place gradually. And
So how is tourism at the moment? Is tourism good?
tourism is good. It's
Yeah.
very good at the moment. We have. I think most of the people are in the on the coastline, the beaches. Have you been to the south on the beaches?
We're actually going there tomorrow. So we're going to be riding down to Bentota.
Oh,
Yeah. So,
riding.
yeah. So we've rented out a tuk-tuk for the journey.
Oh, right.
We thought it would be fun. Yeah. We thought it'd be fun. But yeah, it's quite good. And this is the British pub.
Yes.
So it's even got its own British pub in the area. Look at this. Very nice. So
We ordered some tea. Is that all right? Or you'd like to have coffee or something?
tea, you want a tea? Quick tea, yeah? Yeah, okay, yeah, sure. Yeah, tea. Tea would be great. Yeah, that'd be great, yeah. Thank you so much. So what's the opening hours of the bar then? Is the bar open all the time?
Yeah.
Yeah, all the time?
It's open.
Yeah, okay.
Would you like to have a beer or something?
I've got to drive my tuk-tuk, so yeah. If it wasn't for
I
the
just
tuk-tuk,
offered
I
you
would.
tea because-
Yeah. If it wasn't for the tuk-tuk, I would, my friend. Oh wow, you got a proper fire here.
Yeah.
Is this real as well?
It's a real one.
Ah, wow.
Lit last night.
Ah, nice. Beautiful.
This one was actually the whole Petroban
Yeah.
was designed by my son.
Oh,
One
wow.
of my sons.
Ah. So that was where we just had the tour in the clubhouse of Little England. And what a nice man. The man we were speaking to, he actually owns this entire land. And he started building this in 2009, I think he said. And look what he's turned it into. It's beautiful. And what he was saying was every last detail was designed by him and his family, even these mountable curbs. So you can see these curbs here. They're not like in the UK actually. They're called mountable curbs. So you don't scratch your car wheels and stuff. It's very unique. Every property is unique. It's not the same property running down the street. You see another house under construction here. Yeah, so it's very, very clean. And what the man was saying was, the guy that owns the land, is people can purchase these houses, and many of them are occupied. There's some Airbnbs around here as well, And I saw one online earlier for about $160 for the night. I mean, look at this place. This is enormous, right by the entrance. So this is the main gated entrance here into the Little England. So initially I thought it was locked, but we managed to wave someone down through the gate and they let us in. Hello. Hello there. Hello. So this is the main entrance, and that's the road we came down earlier. And there's a nice stupa down the road which we're going to go to shortly. We're going to have a little look around it. But you can see all the architecture here. Very British, but very 19th century British. I'm not sure houses in England these days are built to this kind of quality. Okay, so let's head off then. Let's get the tuk-tuk ready. There's our little tuk-tuk. Thank you, my friends. Thank you very much. Cheers, buddy. Thank you.